Hi there, my name's Ben. I'm an organic veg farmer from Herefordshire, and I'm here to give you a few little tips on how to grow your own veg during lockdown and beyond. One of the things you want to look for is something that you can pick once that will just keep on growing, and you can pick it again and again and again. If you're limited for space, try looking for things like kale or the sort of lettuce that you can cut a few leaves off and then some more will grow back. If you've got a larger veg patch, whether that's an allotment or beds in your garden, the best thing to do is to avoid growing the same crops or family of crops in those beds within 5 years. By giving the soil a good break between plantings of the same family of veggies, then it helps to kill those diseases and keep them under control. One of the biggest problems we have as organic farmers is pests. We can't use pesticides, so we have to use either what nature has given us or be a bit more inventive. One of the things you can use for scaring off pigeons is if you've got any of those old CDs kicking around that you never listen to anymore because you get it all off Spotify, tie a bit of string around them, put them on a stick, stick them into your pots or wherever you're growing your veggies, and the sun reflecting off those should help to scare them off. Aphids are another little nightmare. The way we deal with them is we try to encourage ladybirds. Now you can actually buy ladybird larvae online, you can go and check that out, but you also need to provide a bit of a habitat for those ladybirds to live in. So you can also buy these little bug hotels. You can encourage other beneficial insects by growing plants such as sweet alyssum or buckwheat. These help to give those natural predators a little bit of a habitat of somewhere to live.